Hello and welcome to Carysil World of Kitchen Appliances. Today we are going to learn how to install the product and operational demonstration of Carysil built-in dishwasher DW01. This will help you to use a product better.
This video will explain the following details. Installation procedure. To install, first, measure the exact dimension. Cutout should match these dimensions. Be sure that the proper ventilation is there in the back side of the cabinet. Choose wisely fixed place in your kitchen where the inlet or outlet pipe fittings are available. Fix the inlet and outlet pipes properly in the dishwasher. Fix the dishwasher in the cabinet. Fix the door panel on the door. Fix the screw properly and check the installation thoroughly. Plug in the power and switch on loading salt into softener tank. Open the cap of salt time situated at the bottom of the chamber. Fill the 1.5 kilograms dishwasher salt in the tank. Do not use the simple kitchen salt in the dishwasher. Use only dishwasher salt available in the market. Close the cap tightly. The dispenser is situated inside the door. To open the dispenser, turn the cap to open. To fill the detergent in the detergent dispenser up to the marking indicator. Replace the cap by inserting it aligned with open arrow, and turning it to the closed right arrow. Pour the rinse aid into the dispenser, being careful not to overfill. Close the lid and press until it locks in. Now your dishwasher is ready to use. Features. This dishwasher comes up with unique programs. Fully built-in dishwasher. 7 washing programs. 14 place setting capacity. Dual zone wash function. Auto wash function. Water softener. Self-cleaning filter system. Heat and dry. A 24 hours delay timer. And 1-year warranty on limited parts. This dishwasher have the following functions. Operation. To start the dishwasher, load the utensils in the basket at allotted places and close the door. To select the extra drying feature, with selective program, press the power key 1. Press the P key multiple times. To set the desired program from any of 4 programs designed for this feature. Now press the extra drying key. The program symbol will display on the screen. Now close the door. The dishwasher will start automatically. To set the delay timer function, press the power key 1. Press the P key multiple times to set the desired program. Now press the delay timer key and select 1 to 24 hours delays by pressing the key multiple times. Now close the door. The dishwasher will start automatically. To start this program, press the power key, then press the program key multiple times and select the rapid program. Now close the door. The dishwasher will start automatically. Maintenance of the product. This completes the demonstration of Carysil built-in dishwasher. Hope you liked the video.